Hello, students. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn a beautiful poem called Ice Cream Man. Do you like ice cream? Of course, everyone loves ice cream, especially in summer. Let's learn about the ice cream man who brings happiness to children. When summers in the city and bricks are blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. Now, let's understand the poem in simple words. In summer, the weather becomes very hot. The roads and buildings become very warm. At that time, the ice cream man comes with his small cart and moves slowly on the street. He stands under a round umbrella to protect himself from the sun. He fills ice cream cones with big scoops of cool and tasty ice cream. There are many flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. He also sells cold drinks, which are colorful and fizzy. His cart looks very beautiful, like a flower garden. Children gather around him quickly, just like honeybees gather around flowers. Let's learn some new words. Trundling means moving slowly. Mounds means big scoops. Frosty fizz means cold fizzy drink. Cluster means to gather together. This poem shows happiness, joy, and fun in summer. Small things like ice cream can make us very happy. Now, some quick questions. Who is the favorite person summer? The ice cream man. Why do children gather around him? Because he sells ice cream and cold drinks. What does his cart look like? Like a flower bed. Hope you understood the poem clearly. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more learning videos. Thank you and keep studying.
ही कविता आईस्क्रीम मॅन उन्हाळ्याच्या दिवसांवर आधारित आहे. उन्हाळ्यात खूप उष्णता असते. अशा वेळी आईस्क्रीमवाला आपल्या गाडीसह रस्त्यावर येतो. तो छत्राखाली उभा राहून मुलांना वेगवेगळ्या चवीचे आईस्क्रीम देतो, जसे व्हॅनिला, चॉकलेट आणि स्ट्रॉबेरी. तो थंड पेय सुद्धा विकतो. त्याची गाडी खूप सुंदर दिसते, जणू फुलांनी भरलेली बाग आहे. मुले त्याच्या भोवती मधमाशांसारखी गोळा होतात. ही कविता आपल्याला सांगते की छोट्या गोष्टींमुळेही आपल्याला खूप आनंद मिळतो, विशेषतः उन्हाळ्यातील आईस्क्रीममुळे.